Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to add a recovery phone number in Gmail. Uh, this is a really simple step that can save you a ton of trouble if you ever get locked out. So yeah, let's dive right in and make sure your account's as secure as possible. First, open your web browser, head to Gmail, and make sure you're signed into your account. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. That might be your photo or just the first letter of your name. When the drop-down menu appears, select Manage your Google account. This will open a new page with all your account settings. On the left-hand menu, click on Security. This is where you'll manage all the protective features for your Google account. Scroll down until you see ways we can verify it's you. Under that, click on Recovery Phone. If you haven't set one before, click Add Recovery Phone. You'll see a box where you can enter your phone number. Notice the little flag next to the box? That's your country code. Click it if you need to change to the right country before typing your number. Go ahead and type your phone number. Double check it, then hit Next. At this point, Google may send you a text or call for verification. Just follow the on-screen steps to confirm it's really your number. And that's it. You've successfully added a recovery phone number to your Gmail account. This little step can really give you peace of mind if you ever need to reset your password or recover access. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more helpful guides.